So let us discuss the first pulley system, that is single fixed pulley. You can see in this diagram, this pulley is fixed to a rigid support here. This is a load which we are going to lift, and this is the direction of effort where we are going to apply a force in order to lift this load. Now what actually we are going to discuss in this single fixed pulley, that is we are going to study about mechanical advantage, velocity ratio and the efficiency. What is the mechanical advantage of this single fixed pulley? What is the mechanical velocity ratio of this single fixed pulley and efficiency of this single fixed pulley? Now let us discuss. As we all know, the formula for mechanical advantage is load upon effort. So you can see in this diagram, if the load is acting in downward direction, there is a tension in the string. The tension in this string and the load both are equal. Same way here, if effort is acting in downward direction, there is a tension in the string. So the amount of effort we are applying on this cable or string, so much amount of tension is there in the string. So the load is equal to tension, even effort is also equal to tension, and if you substitute in mechanical advantage formula here, then we get T upon T, that is equal to 1. So mechanical advantage of single fixed pulley is always 1. The next one is the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is nothing but distance travelled by effort to distance travelled by load, as we have already discussed in terms related to machine. In this pulley system, you can see the distance travelled by the load will be always equal to distance travelled by effort. Why? Because it is a single fixed pulley. How much the distance, how much height the load will be lifted, so much distance the effort will move. So it is given by D divided by D. Distance travelled by effort will be D. Distance travelled by load will be also D. So we will get the answer 1. The next one is efficiency. Efficiency is given by formula mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio, that is equal to, as mechanical advantage is 1 here and this velocity ratio is also 1. If you substitute in the formula, 1 upon 1 will be always 1.